guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. I'm Rakshita. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my favorite smoothie bowl recipes. What's different about this smoothie bowl is its blue color and toppings, which include edible flowers and some fruits that I've cut using my 3D printed cookie cutters. If you're bored of your regular breakfast, or if you're looking for a quick, easy and healthy recipe that you can eat any time of the day, try this one guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive in straight into the smoothie bowl recipe. Do try this recipe guys and let me know how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rendezvous with Rax. I hope you have a beautiful day or night, sending you good vibes and my love. See you soon.